Assalamualaikum. Mein Name ist Amina aus Wiesbaden.
Auspis?
Wiesbaden.
Amina Tariq. Amina Tariq, yes.
Tarika.
Yes. Okay. Right. Then, what do you say?
Ich habe auch Fragen, aber ich denke, das ist sinnvoller, wenn ich die an Sie schriftlich stelle.
She has got some questions, but she thinks it's better, she prefers to send them in a letter.
Okay. If you have a question, then if it's a long question and you require a long answer, then you better write it to me and then I will give you the answer.
Ja, die sind gesundheitlicher Art, die möchte ich hier nicht äußern.
The questions are regarding her health, so she doesn't want to mention them here.
And then it is better you write it to me. Okay? And if you like, I can prescribe some homeopathic medicine as well.
Vielen Dank.
Okay, sit down.